So today we are going to talk about Blended Nursery Teacher Training course. So this course is also known as NTT. Today we are going to give you an overview about the entire course. A child in his or her initial 3 years is used to the home environment, and the absence of that environment can lead to an insecure feeling. At the same time, it is important that a child should attend a nursery school. The transition period from the home to school is very important, and there the nursery environment plays a very important role. The proper place for such a transition is the nursery school. We should know that only people who are trained to handle kids at this age are the right people to be a part of their journey. So keeping that in mind, we have developed this course so that it can help teachers to become more responsible and more skilled in handling kids of this age. The best part of this course is that the online format, which we also call as the blended program. So now you must be thinking, what is blended format? Well, a blended format is a format which has both online and offline mode. Online mode where you can study from the online format, and offline where you can get a hands-on of the entire learning process that happens throughout the course. Now let's look at the importance of a blended format. If you are doing a blended format, the first thing that you would save is on time. You can access the online material from anywhere. That is the best part. And the second part is you can also have and come to the class and attend the class and have a hands-on activity also. The best format of having an online mode is that it is flexible, it is less time consuming as you don't have to travel, and you can be at any point and you can still access to the material. Like you can go on an online class without physically have to go there. Now you must be wondering, then what are the modes available to pursue this course? Number one would be a 1-year mode, which is basically a blended format where you have online and face-to-face interaction. There you will be having also a teaching practice in the school where you can interact with the students face-to-face. The second is NTT certificate course, which is available in both online and correspondence mode, and this course is basically for 4 months. The primary aim of the course is to train teachers for primary school. However, depending upon the attitude and the aptitude of the teacher, after learning from this course, they can have the following avenues. Number one would be working in the preschool section. Secondly, would be working in a creche. Thirdly, would be working as a preschool teacher in an NGO. It can also help people who want to look after their own kids as well. They can also use this knowledge to be a shadow teacher in certain schools. They can also use these skills to be a part of schools which are internationally acclaimed, or can go and work in an international scenario.